This name is binary data types. Any idea about binary? Any idea what is
Yes,
binary?
yes, the binary number.
Okay, let's see what is a binary. You have to understand what is a binary. So here is a binary means it's a using only
Zero
and one as
and
the
one.
sum of the
Yeah.
number.
Yes, yes.
Okay, what is binary? The terms binary refer to anything composed of two parts, things like alternatives. Most commonly describes the best two number system used in computer. What does that mean? Two numbers is 0 and 1. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So you understood. No need to explain binary, right? But still I tell you, binary use binary use in 0 to 1, okay, or in two parts of two parts of 0 and 1. Am I right? It is a binary is a computer systems, okay, and the computer is like a count or like a refers to 0 and 1, right? Now, so we have to understand, okay, we know what is a binary. Now we have to understand definitely is a binary, so definitely they store the data. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
So binary means if we have any data type, okay, data type definitely store the SQL Server, right?
Right.
Right. So what kind data binary stores we have to understand, right? So there is
Yeah.
two types of the binary. First is we have to understand what types the binary is. A binary, one is a bar binary. One is a binary. Second is a bar binary. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So bar binary. So what is a mean binary? You understand, right? I have already explained what a bar binary and this one. So mostly data will store in this. Okay. So bar binary, okay, stores image in a file or image. Okay. I will write here like this. Stores data in image or file, right?
Yeah.
Binary data types are used to store non-text. Now, this is the bar binary, and now I'm talking about this is the binary. What does it mean binary here? You know, right? But still, I tell you, this is a binary data types are used to store non-text data type. Okay, so this is the same here. Store non-text data type. Same here, right? What is the non-store data types? Is an image and file.
Yeah.
Okay, or you can say the or PDFs, PDF accept.
Yeah.
Now we have to understand how can we use the syntax. How can we check the length? We have to use the syntax. Okay, binary, binary. Okay, and then we have to use this is the n. What is the n means? Is the number.
And number. Yeah.
Yeah. What is like what is the length of the binary? We have to check like this. So how can we check? We have to paste here, right? Binary. Then n means we have to paste here. What is the text? Sorry, non-text documents, right?
Yeah.
Right? So what does it mean? The fixed length binary data. fixed length binary data, right? Always
Mm.
store exactly and bytes. What is always store stores in and bytes. Okay, so is a var binary is the same here. Okay, variable length binary data. I write this here. Okay, what is the mean here? Variable length. Okay, what? How can we write it here? The same variable length or binary data. Binary. It's stored only like actual data. It it stores. You understood this, right?
Yes.
Any confusion? I tell you,
No, not.
when we practice, okay, and when you get this kind of the query, then more, you get more understand. Fine.
Yeah, there's only one question that how we write query for this.
Okay. So, like I tell you, okay, when we write code, okay, so in we will get idea. I tell you, don't need to worry.
Okay.
We will
Yeah.